This is the first word I'm going to ask to both of you. Mietsk.
Can you speak it out?
Sounds Russian though.
Yeah. I'm like, Mietsk.
Mietsk, yeah. It's quite all right.
Some kind of vodka Mietsk. Do you want to guess?
They're asking me.
Oh, de
I'm asking the both of you.
Als je zou moeten gokken, als je het woord zo ziet en zo hoort.
Iets te zoeken. Mietsk. Een vogeltje? Nee, ik weet het echt niet.
Een vogeltje.
Ja.
Little bird, he says.
I have no idea.
No.
And you? I'm guessing.
Is it maybe?
Yeah.
It's not maybe. No.
Almost.
No, it's not almost.
Good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hank, you
Yeah.
can say it what it is.
Mietsk means extremely sweet.
Oh, that's nice.